Hey, this is Sasha. I just wanted to remind you that we have an upcoming book that's set to release called Mindsets of a Master Stock Trader. And if you don't know which book we're talking about, it's this one right here. What you can do is, if you want to pre-order, you can go ahead and pre-order it. It's got about 7 days to go, so keep an eye out for when it's released. It may even release a little bit sooner, just depending on when Amazon approves everything. But if you're interested in really learning about the inner game mentalities of trading, emotions, psychology, those kinds of things, then this is the book to pick up. It's about 250 pages. I'm going to do a free preview of it here soon as well. So take a look at it if you're interested and serious about inner game, psychology, mindsets, that kind of stuff, all about trading, then this is the book to get. It's coming out real soon. Make sure you get on the newsletter list. If you're not on it already, you can do so by going to the Traders Fly website. Over here, scroll down, click one of these pop-ups, and then just sign up. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Be sure to get on the newsletter list. In the end, remember, do what you love, contribute to others, but most importantly, live life abundantly. Hope to see you next time.